Hey guys, what is up? RubiksLife here. Welcome back to another video. Today's a very special video because we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and I'm so happy about that. So thank you guys so much for this crazy milestone. Now this video is going to be full of different kinds of things like what we're going to do and all the fun stuff we're going to do for 10,000. And this is just a quick kind of summary update video just about all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned, and we're also going to be doing a lot of fun stuff. So here we go. Okay, so first things first, we are doing a giveaway of course, and I'm giving away this 3x3 mirror cube as promised like I did a couple of videos ago. So it's a brand new one. I'm going to be shipping it out to you guys. So one of you guys are going to win this, but all you have to do, subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment down below why you think you should win this cube, and we will be getting this going in the next 2 weeks or so. I'll pick a winner from the comment section, and then that'll be the winner, and I'll DM you and send that to you. So that's how that's gonna go. Also, I have an idea that I'm going to be doing here soon. So this channel is dedicated to Rubik's Cubes and doing all of that fun stuff, which I'm still enjoying doing, and it's not gonna stop, and we're gonna keep on going. Now I've had two different things. One is I want to do some other things besides that, so I'm going to be starting a second channel that I'm not sure what it's going to be called quite yet, so if you guys have any suggestions, leave it down below. But I want it to be more of like just a film channel where I can create and make my own films and cool effects and just share that with you guys. So if you guys have any really good ideas on names or logo designs or anything like that, please let me know, and I will take those all into consideration, so I'd really appreciate that. So I've been trying to get sponsors on this channel for a very long time. However, I haven't been able to do that yet. And I was talking with a couple companies, and they were saying one of the reasons that they could not sponsor me yet is because of the channel name. Because it has the word Rubik's in it, it's a brand name that is not associated with me directly, and they can't associate themselves with that. So they said the only thing I can do is just not be sponsored, or I could change the channel name to something that doesn't have a brand name in it. So like change it to something else other than Rubik's. But I was like, that's kind of like my name, and it's always been that way for like 4 or 5 years now. So I don't know what to do. So if you guys think I should change it, and you guys have any ideas, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm kind of stuck here. I don't know what to do, if I should just keep going and just not have any sponsors here, or if I should just leave it, or if I should change it and make it something different. And it's going to be the same channel, same things. I'm still going to be here, but it's just going to have a different title. That way we can have other people collaborating with us on these videos. So please let me know what you guys think about that down in the comment section down below. So I know this video is kind of all over the place and just really random, but I just can't believe we're at 10K. I'm also making a cake for it, so that's going to be here in the next week or so whenever I have time to actually work on that, because I'm busy with school and then my other film projects that's going to be going up on that second channel here soon. So if you have any ideas, and it's not going to be related to Rubik's Cubes, it's still going to be me, but it's just going to be more of my personal side, and I was wanting you guys to support that as well, just so you guys could get more different various videos instead of just this stuff all the time. So if you guys like that idea, leave a like, leave a comment what you think it should be. I'll leave a link to the channel that I'm going to use. It's just my name right now, and I haven't named it anything special. It's just my name. So I'll leave that in the description and in the end card, so you guys can go subscribe to that and then give that channel some love. If we can get it up to like even 100 subscribers, that would just make my day. So thank you guys so much. But I really appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.